Okay, we're back at it here again today. We are going to be tearing down this little building here behind me. It's in quite rough shape. It was already in bad shape. We got hit by that tornado last year that took the roof off and took down this one wall. So I've been meaning to take this building down for way too long, and so today's the day it's going to be coming down. I have the John Deere 410 loaded backhoe sitting over here getting warmed up. So once it's warmed up, we're going to be getting started here. If you didn't see my last video, I've been doing a lot of cleanup around here. I pulled out about 11 or so trees, and then off camera here the other day I pulled out like another 5 or 6 and got that area cleaned up. So this building here is next in line to come down. Before we start here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed already, and give the video a thumbs up. I'm going to start getting camera set up and we'll get a building torn down. So I'm probably going to start here with this little white box, and there's a old wood burner in there, so I'm probably going to tear that off and then get the stove moved out. The white building further down, it's going to stay, and it's still in good shape. So I'm probably going to move it here later on. But for now, I'm just going to tear down this wood structure here behind me and try to get it all cleaned up. I got the building all burned off and hole filled back in. And I think it's looking a lot better here than what it was. So I'm going to go ahead and haul off what dirt I have left here. I guess you call it dirt. It's more like shell. It's awful stuff. So I'll probably put in a pile here just back behind this little building I've been walking around. Like I said, I kind of like a building moved over to here and something to walk out of. And so I'll probably use the shell here for a building pad. And then get a bunch of gravel and stuff hauled on top of it. But for right now, I think this is going to do it. Now I want to add here real quick on how nice these front wheels are I got for this backhoe. They're Michelin wheel. They're designed for skid steer. If you haven't seen my video on those, make sure you click on this little tag up here in the top corner of your screen and go check out that video. These wheels are really nice. I don't have to worry about flats anymore. They're a lot smoother, so be sure to go check out that video if you haven't already. So be sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Hit that notification bell and make sure you give the video a like. It helps me out a lot. I appreciate you guys watching.